ToddlerPedia. Today I have come up with some hand and finger exercises. So if your child is having some writing issues, if he is unable to make a fist, or if his grip isn't so strong, so these exercises will definitely help you out. So what you need for this exercise is a clay dough. If you don't have a clay dough at home, you can make a homemade dough, the video of which is shared in the description box. So normally when we have a small child at home, we generally bring him or her a clay box, but we doesn't know the lot of benefits that clay brings to our child. So if this clay box and the clay inside is used in an effective manner, it can really help our child. We'll always encourage your child to open the lid of the clay box himself or herself. For that, they need to use their thumb, pointer and middle finger. So let's do it. So as we are ready, so let's start with the exercises. thanks for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe. Have a good day.